Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
We are over here at Boardwalk Beach Resort. Gorgeous condo overlooking the Gulf of Mexico, beautiful resort amenities, and we're checking out a one-bedroom with a bunk today, right, Heather?
Absolutely. It's under $350 for all of this beauty. You can use this as your own private beach getaway or as rental income. We can get the rental numbers for you. That's no problem.
Excellent. And what I love about this particular condo is the location.
Absolutely.
You're right on the Gulf. You've got access to shopping, restaurants, everything you need is just a little bit away. And the price point, under $350.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Could be all yours.
Such a deal
Yeah.
over at Boardwalk Beach Resort. If you want to check out this condo, give us a call today.
If this unit interests you, check in the description below. We've got the listing link there for you. You can check out more details and let us know.
And if you don't want to miss out on gorgeous
Right.
Panama City Beach properties like these, make sure you hit subscribe. Give us a follow on our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't forget to ring that bell.